In any kind of hypothesis testing, because conclusions about populations are based on samples, there are three possible outcomes. One, the test yields a correct conclusion, that is, we reject a false null hypothesis, or not reject a true null hypothesis. Either of these conclusions is what we want to obtain, as they are correct conclusions. Two, we conclude to reject a true null hypothesis. This is an incorrect conclusion. This is known as the type 1 or alpha error. And three, we do not reject a false null hypothesis. This is known as the type 2 or beta error. Obviously, we want to minimize the probability of committing either a type 1 or type 2 error. Unfortunately, for a given sample size, we cannot reduce both errors at the same time. Reducing one means increasing the other. So if we want to reduce these errors simultaneously, we need a larger sample size.